Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add vanilla gift card to Uber Eats. To add a vanilla gift card to Uber Eats, first of all make sure to open up preferred web browser and go to the URL box at the top and type in ubereats.com and press enter. Doing this will take you to the official website for Uber Eats, from where you will need to log into your existing account. After you are signed into your Uber Eats account, go to the top left corner and click on the hamburger menu button. From the expanded menu pop-up, click on Wallet. Now choose Add Payment Method. Select the Spend option at the top of the screen where it says Connect Bank/Gift Cards or Payment Services. Click on Gift Card option on the next page. Now, make sure to enter your vanilla gift card code in the text box appearing on the next page. Type in your gift card code without spaces and click on Apply at the bottom. And that's how you will be able to add a vanilla gift card to Uber Eats. Now the gift card credit will automatically apply to your next Uber Eats order. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.